Did you know that the three main enemies of skin that causes aging originate from within our skin and immune system? The first is the collagenase that breaks down our skin support net, resulting in wrinkles. The second is the elastase that damages our skin elasticity and causes sagging. Finally, the worst culprit, the tyrosinase, stimulates melanin synthesis and causes dark spots on our faces. Most nutricosmetics in the market are only able to replenish skin with collagen and inhibit melanin production, but they are unable to inhibit collagenase or protect our body from harmful UV rays. We need a holistic internal therapy and protection from UV rays for fairer and younger looking perfect skin. No wrinkles, no sagging, no dullness, no dark spots. Introducing the latest innovation El Marino Blanc that combines three unique technologies: ADS VIQUA, Collactive, NROC, that delivers 4 ways of protection via 5 targeted actions to inhibit the 3 skin enemies and eliminate wrinkles, sagging, dull skin and dark spots. El Marino Blanc contains an extract of nature's most powerful skin antioxidant superfruit, pomegranate. The breakthrough ADS nano delivery system encapsulates the pomegranate active in a special coating to prevent its destruction in the stomach's highly acidic environment. The nano-sized actives penetrate directly into the skin cells to inhibit the activity of collagenase and elastase to produce anti-wrinkle and anti-sagging results. El Marino Blanc's pomegranate active further penetrates into the skin cell's power plant, the mitochondria, to enhance the cell's vitality and accelerate new collagen and elastin production. It has 40 times more antioxidant properties than ordinary pomegranate juice. Unlike the normal structure found in an animal's soft bones or a shark's fin, El Marino Blanc is a blend of hydrolyzed marine collagen and elastin peptides, a smaller protein structure that's easily digested and absorbed by our body, can directly replenish lost collagen and elastin. El Marino Blanc also utilizes a revolutionary immuno-whitening formula with the precious and natural red-orange complex, ROC, from Sicily for a dual-action whitening mechanism. ROC can strengthen skin immunity and effectively reduce UVB-induced skin inflammation by 35%. In fact, the biggest threats to flawless skin are the dark spots in our dermis that are 3.6 times bigger than the visible ones. ROC directly combats tyrosinase, the cause of dark spots, thus preventing melanin accumulation, including those underneath our skin. The revolutionary El Marino Blanc is Asia's premier collagen drink, a creation of the transboundary cooperation between France and Italy that utilizes 3 advanced technologies. Just a glass every morning and evening, and you can look forward to wrinkle-free, firmer, radiant and spotless youthful skin.